How to use Claude for Codebase Onboarding. Discover how to leverage Claude AI for simplifying onboarding processes into complex codebases, enhancing team efficiency and understanding.
Did you know that new developers can spend up to 30% of their time just trying to understand existing codebases? Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how Claude AI, the cutting-edge language model, can revolutionize the onboarding process for new team members by making complex codebases more approachable. As codebases grow, so does the challenge of keeping them accessible. Our goal today is to equip you with the tools to make onboarding not just easier, but also more efficient and productive. Claude AI is a sophisticated AI model designed to assist in a myriad of tasks, including code analysis. Unlike traditional code management tools, Claude AI utilizes natural language processing to interpret and summarize code, making it easier for developers to understand complex systems. It's not just a tool for reading code, it's a partner in understanding it. Developers can ask Claude specific questions about the code, get summaries of key functions, and even generate documentation effortlessly. This makes Claude an invaluable asset in reducing the time and effort spent on code comprehension, thus boosting productivity.
To begin using Claude AI for code analysis, the first step is setting it up correctly. Start by ensuring your development environment meets all necessary requirements, such as compatible operating systems and sufficient computational resources. Claude integrates seamlessly with popular coding tools like GitHub and Jira, allowing for a smooth transition. Configuring Claude to suit your project's specific needs can vastly improve its effectiveness. Remember, customization is key. Tailor Claude's parameters to match your coding style and project requirements for the best results. If you encounter issues, consulting the user manual or support forums can offer valuable insights. Understanding the architecture of a codebase is crucial for any new developer. Claude AI excels at dissecting complex codebases into understandable sections. It can identify core modules, dependencies, and highlight areas of critical importance. With Claude, recognizing patterns and understanding the flow of information within a codebase becomes significantly easier. This not only aids new team members in grasping the structure but also helps in assessing the quality and consistency of the code. By leveraging Claude's ability to recognize and explain patterns, teams can maintain a high standard of code, which is crucial for long-term project success.
One of Claude AI's standout features is its ability to generate comprehensive summaries of a codebase. These summaries can distill thousands of lines of code into a concise overview, highlighting key functionalities and components. By providing detailed explanations, Claude makes sure that even the most complex systems are understood at a glance. Effective documentation is not just about recording what the code does, it's about making sure that information is accessible and useful for everyone on the team. This practice enhances communication and ensures that all team members are on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and errors. Claude AI revolutionizes how we approach code documentation. By automating the documentation process, it ensures accuracy and detail without the usual manual effort. This allows developers to focus on what they do best, coding. Claude keeps documentation up to date by integrating with version control systems like Git. As the code evolves, so does the documentation. This continuous update cycle significantly reduces the workload on developers and ensures that the documentation is always relevant and accurate. Automating these tasks not only saves time but also enhances team productivity by ensuring that documentation is both comprehensive and current. Onboarding new team members can be a time-consuming process. Claude AI simplifies this by automating many of the routine tasks involved. By personalizing the onboarding experience for each developer, Claude ensures that they receive the information most relevant to their role, reducing the time it takes to become productive. Companies that have implemented Claude into their onboarding processes report significant reductions in time to productivity for new hires. By collecting feedback from new users, teams can refine their onboarding processes, creating a cycle of continuous improvement that benefits both new and existing team members. Integrating Claude AI into your existing workflows can significantly enhance productivity, but it requires careful planning. Optimizing Claude's integration involves ensuring seamless transitions between different tools and processes. Training sessions for team members can help them understand and utilize Claude's full potential. Regular monitoring and evaluation of its impact will highlight areas for improvement. Drawing from successful case studies, we see that teams who iterate on their integration strategy tend to achieve the best results. This not only benefits the immediate team but can also serve as a model for other teams looking to embrace AI in their workflows.
To truly understand the impact of Claude AI, let's explore some real-world examples. Companies across various industries have successfully implemented Claude into their workflows. These success stories not only highlight increased productivity and efficiency but also provide valuable lessons on best practices and potential pitfalls. For instance, a tech startup saw a 40% reduction in onboarding time after integrating Claude. Lessons learned from these implementations underline the importance of customizing Claude's capabilities to meet specific needs. The future potential for AI in development is vast, and Claude AI is at the forefront, paving the way for more intuitive and efficient coding environments. As we wrap up, it's clear that Claude AI offers numerous benefits for simplifying codebase onboarding and improving team efficiency. If you're interested in exploring Claude further, we encourage you to try it out and see the difference it can make. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials on leveraging AI in development. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.